Welcome to DreamHomeTour Luxury Design. Today, we take you inside an architectural gem in the heart of Dubaï. A luxurious modern home that blends innovation, elegance, and breathtaking design. If you're passionate about real estate, design, or simply dream of living large, you're going to love this exclusive tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a luxury property design like this one. Let's step inside this royal masterpiece. This luxury home is located in one of Dubai's most prestigious gated communities, where privacy meets prestige. The facade is bold and futuristic, with clean lines, expansive glass panels, and geometric architecture that catches the eye from every angle. Surrounded by manicured landscapes, palm trees, and water features, the exterior sets the tone for what lies within. Pure sophistication. This home is more than just beautiful. It's smart and functional. We're talking about a private cinema room, indoor and outdoor pools, a wellness spa, a fully equipped gym, and even a rooftop terrace with panoramic city views. The kitchen, a chef's dream complete with smart appliances, marble counters, and a hidden pantry. It also features en-suite bedrooms with walk-in closets and luxury bathrooms that rival five-star hotels. Owning a property like this in Dubai isn't just about having a home. It's about experiencing a lifestyle, royal lifestyle. From exclusive golf clubs to fine dining and top-tier security, this location offers everything high-end living demands. Whether you're investing or relocating, this property design is a symbol of success, comfort, and architectural brilliance. Thank you for joining us on this luxury home design tour in Dubai. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who appreciates modern design, and comment your favorite feature below. Subscribe to DreamHomeTour Luxury Design for weekly tour of some of the world's most stunning properties designs. Until next time, keep dreaming big and living beautifully.